We start by covering the table with a sheet, and the second step is to always condition the clay. You simply have to knead it like it's a dough. After you finish kneading, just roll the clay into a ball with your hands or using working surface. Just like how roti is made, gently flatten it. The next step is to use a rolling pin and roll out the clay. If you don't have a rolling pin, don't worry, you can use anything that is cylindrical in shape. Gently roll out the clay, roll it in multiple directions, and make sure the clay is an even thickness across the entire slab. Turn it over and roll. Repeat the steps over and over again until you start noticing your slab is kind of growing. Make sure you have even thickness like this. Once your slab is the size you wanted and has even thickness, it's time to cut out. Here, I'm just going to cut out the edge with scale. Use the remaining cutout clay and remold it to make another slab. And here we have a slab. It has even thickness. You can go ahead and cut out letters, numbers and shapes as you wish. You can also add impressions on your slab with different kind of tools.